Maruti Suzuki Swift is no doubt the best selling hatchback in India. It is because it has good looks, it is very spacious and practical, it is very well equipped, and also is very fuel efficient. However, one thing that is not particularly impressive about the Swift is safety. This is really where the Swift absolutely lags behind, and we know about the global NCAP's crash test rating, which was conducted back in 2018, where it scored a disappointing 2 stars. And that is definitely not a great rating for this hatchback because it is not very safe for you and for the family. The Swift is also sold in other international markets and it is manufactured both in India and Japan. So in this video we'll talk about the Suzuki Swift's crash test rating which has been conducted by Latin NCAP. As I said earlier that the Swift for the Indian market scored 2 stars from Global NCAP crash test and it is absolutely disappointing and it isn't really the safest hatchback at all. But in Latin NCAP it has scored even worse. So the Swift, which was crash tested by Latin NCAP, is of 2021 model and it scored a dismal 0 stars, which is absolutely mediocre for this kind of a hatchback. And it clearly tells you that it is even worse when compared to the global NCAP's Swift that scored 2 stars despite having dual airbags, ABS with EBD, ISOFIX child seat mounts. Landon and Cab conducted the Swift's frontal offset crash at a speed of 64 km per hour, and here the body shell integrity was found unstable and it cannot withstand further load. In fact, even the footwell area has been rated very unstable. In terms of adult occupant protection, both the driver and co-driver's head and neck protection was rated good, while the driver side's chest protection was rated weak. Both the thigh protection was rated marginal and the leg protection was rated adequate. In passenger side, the chest protection was rated adequate, the right thigh protection was rated good, while the left was rated marginal, and while the left leg protection was rated good, the right leg protection was rated adequate. A side impact crash test was also been conducted too, in which head and pelvis protection was rated good, abdomen protection was rated adequate, and chest protection was very poor, leading to 0 points for this test. Latin ANCAP also does conduct side pole impact crash test for every different cars, but in this car it was not performed as the side head protection was not meeting to the standards set by Latin NCAP. So to put into perspective, the Suzuki Swift, which was crash tested by Euro NCAP back in 2017, scored 3 stars with standard safety equipment. It also even got 4 stars with safety pack that includes auto emergency braking, lane departure warning, and frontal collision warning system. So by looking at the facts and figures, it is clear that the Swift is not the safest hatchback at any point in its third generation guys. Though it might be great elsewhere, but in terms of safety, it is definitely the poorest. So that is why I always really urge to buy a safe car because life is much more important than mileage. And in India, we used to say kitna deti hai. It's time to now say kitna safe hai.